Off-road riders have long extolled the virtues of steel frame construction. Steel frames provide a certain amount of give in rough terrain, a feature that insulates the rider from a portion of the energy sent into the bike by the terrain. This energy also aids in straight-line acceleration by bowing up and then releasing the stored energy like a spring. Yamaha shows its sincerity by starting with a steel, stress-tension, backbone-style frame. Using the engine as part of the frame pulls the center of gravity down low where it helps with low-speed maneuvers, and it leaves room to move the fuel tank down as well to further lower the center of gravity. A detachable, aluminum rear subframe keeps the rear light, and the cast aluminum swing arm keeps unsprung weight down and back as well. The swing arm serves as the drive shaft housing as well, another move to reduce the unsprung weight at the rear wheel.